Roko the brown bear walked slowly through the forest. Not fast, not slow, just right. But the day is ending. The light between the trees grows softer with every step. Crunch. A small stick breaks under his paw. Roko stops. He listens. Nothing scary. Just the forest settling down for the night. In his paw, Roko holds a tiny glass jar. Inside it, something glows gently. A warm sparkle. It's a fire sparkle. A gift from his friend Fire. Roko remembers Fire, smiling as she gave it to him. Only one sparkle, she said. But it's just enough. Roko smiles. He reaches his favorite spot. A quiet place between tall trees where the ground feels safe and familiar. Carefully, Roko sets the jar down, very slowly. He opens the lid. The sparkle floats out, soft, golden. Roko places a few sticks together. Then he gently tips the jar. The sparkle touches the wood. Crackle. A tiny fire appears, not big, not loud, just warm. The fire begins to glow and whisper. Crackle. Roko sits down and stretches his paws toward the light. The warmth feels good on his fur. Rustle, rustle. Roko looks up. A small mouse peeks out, then quickly scurries away. Good night, Roko thinks. Above him, the sky turns dark blue. Stars appear. 1, 2, many. An owl hoots softly in the distance. The forest hums a quiet bedtime song. Roko takes a deep breath in and out. The fire grows lower now. Still glowing, still kind. Roko yawns. His eyes blink slowly. Once, twice. He curls up near the fire, holding the empty little jar beside him. The sparkle did its job. The forest feels safe. The night feels warm. Crackle. The fire whispers one last sound, and Roko drifts into a deep, gentle sleep. Good night, Roko. Good night, fire sparkle. Good night, cozy forest.